I'm going to show you on this video how to remove the front fender on a Ultra Classic. Alright, there isn't much to these fenders. There is some wiring for the front light, alright, the fender tip light. There is wiring that goes into the front of this piece here. I'm not going to completely remove the fender. If you were to remove the fender completely off the bike, let's say you're going to have it painted or something like that, you would definitely have to go in here and disconnect the wiring. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and just set it aside because I'm going to do some work on the forks. This is the wire that feeds power to the front tip light, and it runs up the brake hose and it goes inside here. So you'd have to take this piece off. You might be able to get the headlight off and get it from inside and then just slide it out. I'm not going to disconnect this. Now there's two bolts on each side, on each fork. One here, so that's two. And then there's two more on the other fork. Same setup. This piece of metal goes across, and the corner of this is actually pushed up against the bolt. And they're both like that. That just prevents the bolt from backing out on its own. We're going to have to bend this back down to get these bolts out. So you take a screwdriver with a small hammer, and I just tap it. I'm trying to work it back off of there. Alright, so you got it backed off from the nut. I gotta do the other side. Okay, now you get a 13mm wrench or a socket, and we're just going to back these up. Now there is a couple of washers that go between the fender and the fork itself, so don't lose those. You do have to put them back in. And now to do the other side. I got one bolt left in there holding the fender up. I do not want to attempt this by myself. I don't want to risk scratching the fender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call for help. Morgan Macy! I need help! You can always count on my two daughters. Great kids, man. I love them to death. Can I get you girls for a few minutes? Need one of you to hold this side here, and one of you to hold the back of the fender. Alright, so hold it. I gotta take the screw out. I don't want it to fall. You got it? Don't move it, just keep it right there. That's a nice shirt you got there. My brother, USMC. Ooh, that was dope! Oh, here comes Chew, think I'm falling. Okay. Alright, Mace, go down slow. Okay, go down, Mace. Nice and easy. Easy. Okay, you gotta bring your side back up. Yep, that's it. Hold on. You can let it go on. Swing it over like that. Beautiful. Take that rag, put it underneath the front of the tip. I need something to hold us up. Something to go here. Give me that pocket, then I can. Yep. Now take the rag, put it on top. Give me another rag for over there. Thank you, honey. Oh, you guys are the best. What do I do without you, huh? Thank you very much. I'm all set. All right, so that's how you remove your front fender. The process to put it back on it is just the opposite. You put the 4 bolts in, bend over those tabs on each bolt, and you're done. But don't forget to torque it. There is a torque spec. Now, I didn't disconnect the electrical on it. If I had, this thing would just come right out. But I don't need to. I'm just moving it out of the way. I don't need to disconnect the whole thing. I just need access to the forks on the inside. That'll be another video. So if you guys want to see what I'm going to do with the forks, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to be notified. All right, everybody. Goodbye.